Welcome to InnovaTree's Knowledge Nugget series. Today's topic of discussion is intellectual property as a career option for college students. Intellectual property law is all about protecting and exercising benefits from the intangible creations of human intellect, which has commercial value after it gets manifested in forms like invention, brand logo, name, picture, artistic work, and so on. In order to evolve, businesses are investing on acquiring more and more intellectual assets. To protect these assets, there is a constant demand for IP lawyers and professionals who can provide appropriate solutions to the matters concerning intellectual property. Due to the gush of technology, media, and IT, intellectual property litigation is seeing a huge rise in demand, which, along with the scope for specialization, would mean you will get plenty of opportunities to advance in the field of IP. As an IP lawyer or professional, you will work on legal areas concerning patents, copyright, trademark, licensing, franchising, distribution, technology transfers, and trade secret, as well as work on matters related to filing, drafting, prosecution, infringement, negotiation, and conducting IP asset due diligence. IP law is growing exponentially. Companies and educational organizations file for IPR on a regular basis, and for this, they always need someone who can handle all their IP related work. Advancement in science and technology demands lawyers with technical backgrounds and understanding to help with the matters concerning intellectual property. Depending upon your qualification and interest, you can either choose to be an IP attorney, IP agent, IP analyst, or a paralegal. To be an IP attorney, engineering or master's degree in science is required along with LLB, without which you cannot be an attorney. In case you do not wish to get a law degree, you can appear for patent or trademark agent exam and become a registered trademark or patent agent. Trademark filing is either done by a trademark attorney or agent, and for patent filing, patent agent or attorney is required. If you choose not to be an attorney or agent, you can always work as an analyst in the field of IPR. Patent analysts perform patentability analysis of the invention and determines if the invention is patentable or not. This area requires greater specialization. Another area of IP is IP docketing, where you can work as an IP paralegal and get to manage different IP documents and assist IP attorneys in their work. As an IP professional, you can also work on IP commercialization, which deals with finding the value of IP in a particular market or company. IP professional finds out if the particular IP needs to be sold, licensed, or worked on. If not any of the above, you can always aspire to be an entrepreneur and have your own business to cater to industries and organizations that need IP support. Or you can become a trainer and train people in IP. So, as a college student, you have different avenues where you can contribute to the field of IP. IP law is growing. As long as there is human civilization, innovative ideas will continue to exist, and IP professionals will always be needed. One great thing about intellectual property law is that it thrives even in times of recession, because human brain never stops imagining. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. You can also find our social media handles in the description below, and for more details, feel free to contact us.